So hello and welcome back. Today we're going to talk about parallel resistors. Parallel resistors are when exactly resistors meet at two node pairs or two nodes. The equivalent resistance is 1 over R1 plus 1 over R2 plus 1 over R3 and so on plus 1 over Rn. So here we're going to look at a network of resistors. There will be 3 of them. They are 15 ohms, 10 ohms, and 12 ohms. And it's going to be the equivalent resistance across terminals A and B. So that's going to be 1 over 15 plus 1 over 10 plus 1 over 12, which equals 4 ohms. So now let's look at another network of parallel resistors, and I am intentionally drawing them in different ways so that you can see parallel has more than one looking configuration. So now I have 18 ohms in parallel with 9 ohms in parallel with 6 ohms. So that's going to be 1 over 18 plus 1 over 9 plus 1 over 6, and the equivalent resistance is 3 ohms. Stay STEM-tastic and come back for more.